Hello, we are Joke,
Kirsten,
Lise,
Arne.
Sebastien en Niels.
We're 6 Belgian students from the University of Antwerp and we investigated balance control in children with cochlear implants. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Let's have a look. Children with sensorineural hearing loss, or in short SNHL, have inner ear involvement and often receive a cochlear implant. There's a growing interest among researchers concerning this population. But why investigating balance control? It is because the cochlea and vestibulum are anatomically related. Furthermore, the motor output of the vestibulum ensures balance control. Not to mention the possible damage of the vestibulum due to cochlear implantation. What brings us to the aim of this study, providing an overview of balance control in children with cochlear implants. Electronic databases PubMed and Web of Science were searched systematically. On the left you can see the search details. Using the Dutch Cochrane checklist, the methodological quality of the included articles was assessed. To get an exact overview of the different results from all the articles, data were gathered in data extraction tables for population, for performance on functional balance test and postural sway measurements. 7 observational studies were included, of which 3 with a patient control study design, 3 a cross-sectional and 1 cohort study. All studies had a good methodological quality except for 1. The main findings are that children with a cochlear implant score poorer compared to normal hearing peers. But in all SNHL children, equal scores were measured, either wearing a CI or not. Unfortunately, several confounding factors were found that could influence the balance performance, such as time post-CI, presence of vestibular dysfunction, and etiology of the hearing loss, which is presented in Table 2. Children with CI perform poorer than their normal hearing peers on both functional and technical tests, and often, but not always, similar to children with SNHL without a CI. This can be due to etiology of the hearing loss, the time post-cochlear implantation, and/or the presence of vestibular dysfunction. These findings suggest balance control can deteriorate after cochlear implantation, but also that relative recovery over time seems to occur. Due to limited research, the following question remains. Is cochlear implantation an extra indication for physiotherapy concerning balance control?